Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can export APK in Unity. To do that, first open your Unity app. Here go to edit and click on project settings. Here go to player option and copy these settings. Then scroll down. Then select the minimum Android version on which you want your APK to run. Then scroll down and click on project key store and uncheck the custom key store. After doing all the settings, close this window, click on profile and then go to build profiles. Here go to Android section and select the file which you want to make APK. Then it will take some time to create an APK. After it gets completed, here you can see our APK is extracted. Now you can install it on any mobile phone, and this is how you can extract APK from Unity. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.